Arc Raiders is a competitive multiplayer game built on the Solana blockchain, featuring NFT-integrated gameplay. However, at launch, players encountered a frustrating black screen issue that prevented access to menus or gameplay. The root cause was shader compilation failures on certain GPUs due to outdated Vulkan drivers. Blockchain latency also played a role, delaying NFT and wallet verification on launch. Hardware dependencies affected older GPUs and integrated graphics, highlighting compatibility issues. The rendering engine failed to initialize properly, lacking robust error handling for silent failures. This combined traditional game bugs with blockchain integration challenges. The black screen issue was largely resolved with patch 2.3.1, which included fixes for shader, compilation errors, and better error logging. The developers updated the game's engine to include forced driver updates, demonstrating the importance of cross-platform testing in hybrid crypto gaming ecosystems. Community reports indicate a 95% resolution rate post-patch. This incident highlights several key takeaways. First, the need for proper error handling and robust fallbacks in game development. Second, the importance of optimizing hybrid engines to account for both traditional gaming elements and blockchain integration. Finally, the community played a vital role in troubleshooting, contributing to faster resolution times. Future trends point towards AI-assisted debugging and cross-platform standardization to prevent similar issues.